course I'm a Scorpio. Why do you think I'm so fucking ambitious? You know what? I am slightly homophobic, Glitch Gray. Because for some reason, your mom...
Round one. Fight. Cryokinesis.
This dude does not know what he's doing.
Cryokinesis. Cryokinesis. Cryokinesis.
Don't random headbutt either.
Pyrokinesis. Round two. Fight.
Damn, we just walking up sweeping. Fuck out of here, bro. Dude, spamming that shit like a thing. Suck. Not even gonna waste meter on this sorry ass nigga. Trash.
I shall persevere. The curtain falls.
God, this Urian sucks. Never seen somebody sloppily press buttons so much.
Fight. Pyrokinesis. Pyrokinesis.
That's negative, you idiot. Yeah, I was kind of. This nigga sucks. Look at this idiot. You can just pressing buttons. I don't even know what the f you doing.
Cryokinesis. Pyrokinesis. Cryokinesis.
Oh my god, this nigga did wake up standing light. Oh my, this nigga suck, bro. I've never seen a nigga mash so many buttons in my life.
You lose.
This nigga just throwing out whiffing from what the? I can't play niggas like this, man. Mic muted. Mods, take care of my chat for dumb niggas, please. Come on, you gotta be out of your mind, you moron.
Round one. Fight. Pyrokinesis. Cryokinesis. Cryokinesis. I see all. Pyrokinesis.
Who is this? 50 Tyson? What'd she say? A rectile something? Got a telescope on my wish list. South of the Einstein, fucking with that iodine, fucking with the elements, finna be the president, fucking on a robot. That is a secret, don't tell nobody. Study for a test while you go to a party. On my dick, read a book just for fun. What's the temperature of the sun? 9864211 Fahrenheit. Damn, I was punishable. I hate this too. I should have picked Miguel. I've hated this since Tekken 6.
My fang is dumb rusty right now. What the f was that? Did the nigga do a wake up ultra? Oh my god, hell no. Samurai, thank you. I got you. That's how you niggas get unbanned right there. You do your shit and put your YouTube link. Oh my god, no. Hey, Rocks, skip it. I'm about to body this nigga with Miguel. This nigga plays like a 2-year-old. This nigga's trash in Tekken.
I've never seen... Matter of fact, this reminds me of dumbass scrubs in rank playing with the robot. I'm about to wipe the floor with this nigga.
This nigga sucks in Tekken. That's prime proof. He kept doing the same shit when all I do was block low. You don't expect niggas to do the same strings over and over again. You're done. Run my shit back. Skip your turn, nigga. It's over for this dude. Why do we waste our time? This nigga's garbage in Tekken. Dead ass he is.
I shouldn't even have lost to that. That nigga was trash. This nigga said he knew how to play Tekken. It's over. That had to be one of the most scrubbiest displays I've ever seen of a nigga even attempting to try to play Tekken. I don't care when you got the game, nigga, you're trash. You kept doing the same shit. I thought you were gonna be good in Tekken. You're not. It's all good though. I'm not worried at all. You're playing like that, you're going to lose. This nigga was playing Tekken like a 2-year-old. Yeah, it's like I was looking at it like, is he really gonna do this? I'm not worried about it at all. Ain't no way I lose to this nigga. Damn, I feel like I'm playing a 5-year-old, man. What are you gonna do? A wake up ultra or something? This ain't Smash, nigga. Let's go. I ain't taking this seriously. What the f is this? What the f is this? You don't get serious shit, nigga. What are you doing? Damn, he just doing it. Trying. I'm not even trying. This nigga's trash. Take the smash, my nigga. This is too much for you. Did it again. No follow-ups. What a scrub. This nigga sucks. After this, I swear to God, I will never play you in Tekken again. You have to be the worst nigga to touch the sticks. What the are you doing, dude? Wow, the nigga just woke up with it. No combo. Oh my God. And I'm saying this is exactly how you used her. Back when Tekken 6 existed. Wow, I actually lost to a garbage ass nigga in this. Wow. Rock, skip your turn again. That's what I'm saying. This nigga's a idiot. Skip your turn again. This nigga's garbage, man. I don't give a f if you niggas are clipping this shit or not. Skip your turn again. This nigga sucks. Look how garbage this nigga plays. It's not about the grabs. Look at this nigga. Mods ban Kev. I can't take this dude serious. I swear to God, I'm not playing this nigga serious at all.
I'm saying this nigga, I'm telling you, he played the robot 20 times worse than you did in Tekken 6. This nigga's a moron, man. Your dad needs help, nigga? What the f you doing watching my stream if your dad needs help? It's 10 o'clock at night, nigga. What the f your dad need help with? His
getting blown? Forgot to take out the trash, nigga? You're garbage at this shit. Hurry the f up. Whack ass nigga. This nigga plays like he just kept doing first grade shit you wouldn't expect. It's so easy for me to lose to niggas that don't know what they're doing in games. I swear to God. If you don't know what you're doing, there's your opportunity to beat me. Because I don't think like an idiot when I play these games. You gotta help your dad, nigga. The f need to help their dad at 10 a.m. at night. Or 10 p.m. My bad. 10 p.m. at night. Oh, God. Fuck you playing with Mario for in 2019? Fucking sorry ass boring nigga. I'm kicking this dude out of my room. You niggas are boring. Why are you playing Mario in 2019? That's so boring. Get some swag in your life, you whack ass wearing 5'11" ass jean niggas. Get the fuck out of here, man. Hold on, not even 5'11", 501s. You niggas still wear Levi's 501s. That shit was so boring. Get out, dude. You niggas have no creativity, dude. That shit was boring. Get out. Niggas said we're doing the same corny ass Mario repeatedly. That shit was boring and corny. Just run, dodge, try to throw me all day. Do the same corny shit. Ain't no brains in there. Everybody knows Mario's an easy ass character. Like I said, Rox, just for that comment, you kicked out of my lobby for the night. Vega is another flowchart character for season 2. You gotta probably gotta wait. Are those kicks plus on anything? That's what's corny. You shouldn't be able to confirm off his fireball. Here we go with this. such a scrub character, dude. This is a rage quit. I'm not letting no Akuma get points off me, period. That was all luck and right there. I'm not running it back with no Akumas either.
Final round. Fight.
Fucking scrub. Fucking scrub ass motherfucker. Flowchart. Hate playing against scrubs using his ass character. It's a rage quit. Out of here. Every Akuma does the same goddamn shit. Every Akuma. You know when you play an Akuma, you know exactly what to look for, but it's can you stop it? The out of here, dude. You get no credit, no points playing with that character. You got all the tools in the world. Everybody uses Akuma online. I'm good. Exactly. Everything combo. Standing light. You get a knockdown off standing light. Tatsu. Oki off my wake up. That's corny. I'm hella good. I'm hella good, dude. You gotta rage quit. Anytime you play an Akuma, you know what they're gonna do. It's just, oh, can I get around it? Oh, throws a fireball from way in the sky and confirm off of an air fireball that's not even close to me. I jump in air, throw an air fireball. Boom. If it hits, I get a free combo. Get the out of here. Not getting no points off me playing with that ass character. I love this OST though. This shit is fire. 25th anniversary, huh? 5 years ago. Guys, don't let time escape you, man. Time we're dying every day, dude. Does it ever f with any of you to know that one day everybody in this chat we're all gonna be dead? Damn. We're just nothing but a spot in time.
Round one. Fight.
I'll save it. I'll save it.
Fucking my match right now.
Round two. Fight.
YOLO ass shit. Here we go. It's almost YOLO shit these players do. Wake up. Goddamn. Well, that's three. I'm not gonna allow some YOLO ass scrub to pull off a victory on me. Tell you, man. I don't know why the I just. I don't know. As soon as I see that platinum, I just get disgusted. As soon as I see that top tier, I just get disgusted. Rage quit. Body the out of his Zanju so he can come back. Do a bunch of get lucky on me because I don't give a. Hold on. What did he post, RZA? Go ahead and spill the beans. Or I'll just drag up the chat and see it myself.
Fight.
Thanks, bro. Two throws and this nigga already caught up with me. The fuck out of here, scrub. Walk up throw. Oh my god. This sloppy ass poison. Get the fuck out of here.
Round 2. Fight.
I'm not respecting this nigga. I'm just gonna wake up again. Not respecting you. Not at all. I'm not respecting those sloppy ass fake poison. You're not even streaming, nigga. Stop using that character. You don't even know what you're doing. I lost because I didn't respect. I'm not gonna respect no nigga that didn't grind from the trenches and use that character. What's in a pre-workout? Black sperm, nigga. The kind you drink. The kind I made especially for you. You playing a new character at 20k and you're not even a streamer? I'm not respecting you. I'm gonna walk forward, and if I lose, oh well, I'm gonna rage quit. And if I don't, then I'll take your points. But otherwise, I'm just gonna quit. You didn't earn that badge of diamond with that character. You don't have a separate tag to figure it out. Black sperm is not black cum. No, it's not what you think it is. I mean, I don't give a f if this nigga promotes it, but you should be asking me if you're gonna promote. You should be asking me first, and you shouldn't wait till I get up off my ass before you do it. This nigga got timed out for 800. Dude, why they got me matched up against a platinum player? Why they gotta ruin and kill my joy? Come on, man. Why? God. Dude, why am I playing this dude? Why? This makes no sense.
Round 2. Fight.
Just some lagging, mashing scrub, man. Dude, what was that dude's gamer tag? That's what I'm saying. It's just some 2-bar axe for 4 to 5. They gave me not only a 3-bar lagging, mashing, but a nigga that's still in platinum. Come on, man. Like, I've been taking losses tonight and not even quitting, and they match me up against some lagging ass low rank scrub. How the am I on a 19K tag running into super and ultra platinums? This nigga had 12, he barely had 12,000 points. This nigga is damn near, is basically super platinum, and they had me matched up against him. I don't even know how the that even happened. But yeah, that's a definite rage quit. I don't give a fuck if it was a 3.8 or not. The nigga was a crazy lag, everything, dude. Look at these online matches. This is horrible. Just get me out of this shit. But trash players over and over again. Getting 3 stocked and 2 stocked by trash players. Look at this lag, dude. I can't even press nothing. Look at the lag. No! Fuck!
Round 1.
Oh, this is the stream sniper, huh? Yeah, it's the ball runner from yesterday. Autopilot ass character, man. Dude, why do I gotta face 4 niggas that are stream snipers back to back? comboed it because I hit the wrong soul throw. I mean, Falk, if Balrog doesn't have meter, you have a chance, but dashes up and throws. Autopilot shit. Fucking scrub. Ooh, this nigga keep hitting me with that overhead. Autopilot it.
You seem a little too passive. Taking it easy on me.
This is the same Balrog I beat yesterday. That's 4 stream snipers back to back. And he's a Mexican. That's the nigga I beat yesterday. The Mexican Balrog I whooped yesterday. Short ass nigga. I know you watching my stream too. I know your house smell like Purex and old ass tortillas, nigga. That's 4 niggas back to. That's 4 niggas that stream snipe me back to back. I'm telling you, man. I don't make this shit up. Every game I play, niggas stream snipe me. That's the same dude I cooked yesterday on stream. I might have to start using stream delay, dude. I think I might have to do that because I get sniped in every game that I play. Yeah, I'm gonna have to start using stream delay. Yeah, after this, from now on, my stream's gonna be in stream delay. I played Soul Calibur, I got stream sniped. I played Tekken, I get stream sniped. I'm trying to play Street Fighter, that's 4 stream snipers back to back. It's not coincidence I'm playing these same niggas every time I turn on my stream. I'm just saying, he clearly doesn't respect you guys' money, so.
Round 1. Fight.
I want to play this match, dude. I did not cut on Street Fighter 5 to play a nigga playing the same character as me. I don't even give a shit, dude. Congratulations, dude. This is gonna be a rage quit regardless. I didn't cut on my game to run into another guild as soon as I cut my shit on. I don't even know how to frame trap. I don't even know how to frame trap. You're a scrub. Trash. 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 No.
To return to harmony.
Thank you. Let me go ahead and blacklist that nigga real quick. I know some people want my attention so bad, but don't worry, you're not gonna get it. Playing dittos in Street Fighter 5 is just like, it's just really pointless too. Like, you couldn't make the match different if you tried. You mean what Street Fighter becomes? Street Fighter 5 is, like I keep saying, it's not a real game. It's not a real Street Fighter game. Now this scrub about to just do every mashing thing in his power. Fucking sloppy ass nigga. Get this nigga, man. Ridiculous, man. They just give these niggas so many shortcuts. Give me a break. Why I gotta work, bro? I shouldn't have to work against these worthless, low IQ. Come on, do a headbutt. Come on, do EX, yup. Plus on that. Come on, mash your EX, it's coming. That's what I'm saying, it don't require no work. Niggas, it's just a sloppy ass scrub for life just sitting there doing. I'm blacklisting this clown. Not playing this nigga twice. Not doing shit. Recommend a modern fighting game? Definitely not this shit. Thanks for the 10. Try Tekken or Smash. Or wait for Guilty Gear. Don't play Street Fighter 5. This shit's built for scrubs. Oh honey, I made so much money on OnlyFans today. You know how many people bought my packages? Oh my god, like everybody's buying my exclusive package. Like that's the one that has all my provocative pics. Got V-Trigger, caught up in life. All that damage came from V-Trigger. Isn't that crazy? Like if your girl has her Cash App in her profile, her Snapchat in her profile, or OnlyFans, that ain't shit. Of course, you better throw as many times as you can. I don't know what the that was. I'm gonna wake up with it again too. This dude dashed 1,000,000 times in neutral, slid up close. You know he Mexican. Only Mexicans play like this. Lie, cheat, and still ass nigga. Fucking Latino heat ass nigga. That fake ass. This nigga just kept dashing over and over and over again. There's nothing good that this dude is doing. This dude woke up with a spinning bird kick. Come on, man. You know this nigga's Mexican. Don't worry, I'm not gonna fireball at all. Nope. Sorry, Mexican. You're not getting those points off me. trash ass Chun-Li. That shit was. That nigga was trash. Dude played like a nervous ass muchacho that just got over the border and just trying to hurry up and find some sort of stabilization in life. Like, ass nigga, we're playing a video game. That dude was so nervous, and look what this game allowed you to do. I said it like that because they had Mexican fighter in this shit. That dude was trash. I'm telling you, nigga, every time you play a Mexican online, they always nervous. Why? Yeah, you should never, nobody should take offense to anything I say when I'm streaming. But this world is not built up off people with, with good cognitive. Sloppy Urian coming up.
Don't worry. Round one. Fight. Cryokinesis. 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 Round two. Fight. Bastard!
I'm not accepting L's from a sloppy, awful, garbage, trash ass YOLO Urian. God damn. I play so awful against players of low rank because there's no synergy. There's no synergy. I'm literally playing niggas that are just mashing buttons. And that shit makes me sick. God damn. Somebody give me that Urian's name. If I'm trash, you wouldn't be watching me, but you're gonna get banned and watch me in silence. I can't play people like that. There's no synergy. It's like one nigga knows frame data and all this shit. You got another nigga just mashing buttons, just pressing everything out of nervousness. I play people of, at least of Diamond and up, we have a synergy. Well, not everybody in Diamond has synergy, but for the most part, players that are good at the game, I could beat them no problem. Because there's a synergy there. Yeah, just a scrub, man. That garbage ass trash Urian. That nigga was trash. I cannot play against people that operate like that in this game. I can't. It throws off my whole equilibrium.
Round one.
And I'm matched up with another platinum nigga, man. What is this? Should be easy, right? But this gay ass game allows sorry ass scrubs to pull dubs off you. I actually gotta play careful against a plat. have had that trigger. Damn, a platinum player, man. This is the second platinum nigga I ran against. I don't want to play niggas in plat! This is a joke, man. Ain't no passion in this. Scrub, a random scrub using stuff. Rappers, they did have to work hard to get there. How the fuck you think they just got handed that shit? That's not a good example, bro. Black people, we don't really get no handouts here. We don't have pipelines in like other ethnicities. I make an excuse for niggas, but we don't have pipelines. There we go, random scrub with 14K. Random ass nigga. Random ass nigga playing with that. There we go. Yay. I gotta work hard. Wow, that nigga did a full-blown dive kick over my... yeah, you're so good. This is probably that 12-year-old nigga off Twitter. Would surprise me, right? Oops, had the wrong V trigger. Oh, I lost to Seth. I'm so bad at the game.
Round 2. Fight.
Easy mode combo, which is the target combo, puts me in the corner, sets me up for Oki. Yup, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you're so good. That nigga did one combo, put me in the corner, Oki. Yeah. I'm gonna take that L. Right. I'm done with this game. This shit's so fraudulent. If you look at the match, all he did was get a target combo on me, burn meter, corner carried me, and I had to guess either a throw or a shimmy. And what am I gonna do? Oh yeah, there's no V fat flash or whatever the f it's called. Gay ass game. Oh yeah, if I'm over somebody's house, I will piss in your sink.
You need to stop everything. What are you doing with your life? Can you help a nigga out and just stop this?
That's 100%. Yeah, I don't piss in toilets. I just don't. If I don't have a bottle with me, I'm pissing in your sink. Trust me, it's more sanitary. I'll piss in your sink, go into your cabinet or whatever, spray whatever bleach you got in the sink, re-clean it for you. But usually I keep a bottle in the car, so if I had to piss, I'll just go in the whip, piss in a big ass Gatorade bottle, piss outside. I'd rather piss anywhere than in an actual toilet. Who made me this way? Science.